Hi guys, this is ETprepper. I have to tell you, I have found the best flashlight ever. It's an LED flashlight and it's 493 lumens. I'm showing the page on the iPad here. It's at Home Depot. It's called a Defiant. It's only 22 bucks. It's a tactical light LED, 493 lumens, 3C batteries. That's it. Now, it's nighttime, and here it is right here. You can't really see it, but I'm going to point it at my barn. All right, we're looking at my barn, and the barn's probably about 300 feet away. Here we go. How's that? Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. That thing really, for a flashlight, this thing throws some light. So guys, if you're looking for a tactical flashlight, it's kind of big. I'll show you a picture of it in a minute. If you're looking for a tactical flashlight, this is the one. A super high powered light, and it can be used for more than a flashlight, as you'll see in a picture. But it's got a heavy aluminum body. It's all waterproof. For $22.97, you can't beat it. It's the best value I've ever seen in a flashlight. Super high powered. Look at that. That is just phenomenal. This is the other one that I just bought. It's another tactical flashlight. It's a Defiant. It takes 3D batteries, and it doesn't have an on-off button like the other one does, but let's try it out. Here we go. That's low power, strobe light, and high power. So it throws 500. Don't recall the exact amount of lumens. But again, it's a Defiant flashlight. It's a tactical flashlight, a big heavy aluminum, waterproof, drop-proof flashlight. These things are wonderful. And this was 29, almost 30 bucks.